Today we are doing a full technical breakdown on QXO. Quick heads up before we start, I always come back and revisit these charts later. So subscribing basically means that you catch that follow-up analysis, no guessing needed. Alright, let's get into levels. QXO is trading at 1621 right now. That is down about 2% on the day on the volume of the 32.56 million shares. That volume is worth for nothing. It's elevated compared to recent daily average. Let's zoom out the daily time frame and map out the structure here. Back in September, QXO was consolidating in the $18 to $20 range. From that, we get a clear downtrend leg, printing lower lows into $15 zone by November. That 15-16 area is acting as a major support based on this chart. Off that support, we get a strong reversal and price starts trending back up. By January, that trend accelerates hard, rallying all the way into mid-20s. It peaks close to $28 in early February, which marks the high of the entire structure. And hey, if you are new here, this is exactly the kind of level we track together. From that $28 high, we get a clean rejection and the trend flips lower. Through February and March, price retraces back into 22-23 support zone. April gives us relief rally, a bounce back up toward $25 resistance. That resistance holds, the bounce fails, and we are back into a lower high, lower low pattern. May and June confirm that downtrend grinding through $19 and $18. By late June, price is retesting that $16 to $17 support zone from earlier. Now here in July, we get a sharp volume spike, easily largest bar on this chart. That kind of spike usually signals either capitulation, selling, or a shift in participation, worth for watching. Price pushed up toward the 18 on that spike, then faded back to current levels. So right now we are sitting at 16-21 zone, right back at the key support zone. Structurally, this stock ran from 18 up to 28 and back down near 16 in about 10 months. That's a full round trip on this chart, and that is exactly why I marked these dates down. I'm noting today July 4th right on this next level, so we can track what happens next. Quick reminder, I'm not a financial advisor, this is just a technical structure, not a recommendation. I just like the reading price action and mapping out the support, resistance and trend shifts. That is the fun part for me, and that's why I make this channel. Charts are basically data if you know how to read the structure. Every week, every red candle, every green bounce, that is real supply and demand playing out in real time. I want you to start spotting this support and resistance zones for yourself too. That's the whole point here. We are building an analytical skill together, one chart at a time. So if you are curious whether that $16 support holds from here, subscribing is your bookmark for the answer. Drop a comment and tell me what you think that volume spike actually signals. Is it capitulation, accumulation, or just a noise? I wanna hear your read on it. I read every comment and I might even feature your analysis in the follow-up video. Hit that like button too if you made it this far. It generally helps the channel. Alright, that is it for today's breakdown. Subscribe if you wanna see how this level plays out. Catch you next time.